Organizing your research, crafting the perfect research log. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial skill in academic writing and research, organizing information. Specifically, we're going to focus on creating a research log. This will help you keep track of your sources, notes, and ideas, making your research process more efficient and effective. A research log is essentially a detailed record of sources you've consulted during your research. It keeps track of important information like the author's name, publication date, main arguments, and your personal notes. Think of it as a diary for your research journey. By maintaining a research log, you ensure that 1. You don't lose track of valuable sources. 2. You avoid unintentional plagiarism by always knowing where your information came from. 3. You can easily revisit and review your sources during the writing process. A well-organized research log should contain 1. Source details. 2. Author's name. 3. Title of the work. 4. Publication date. 5. Page numbers, if applicable. 6. Publisher information. 7. Summary of the source, a brief overview of the main arguments or points made in the source. 8. Your personal notes, your thoughts, reactions, and reflections on the source. What did you find useful? How does it relate to your topic? 9. Quotes or excerpts, any direct quotations that you might want to reference in your work. Always ensure you note down page numbers for these. 10. Keywords, relevant keywords or phrases from the source that might be useful when categorizing or searching through your log later. Just having a research log isn't enough. It needs to be well organized. Here are some tips. 1. Consistency is key. Use the same format for every entry. Whether you're jotting things down in a physical notebook or using a digital tool, make sure each entry looks similar. 2. Categorize. Depending on the length and breadth of your research, you may want to categorize entries by topic, source type, e.g., book, article, website, or relevance. 3. Regular updates. Make it a habit to update your log immediately after consulting a new source. This ensures you don't forget or miss out on any details. 4. Review periodically. Periodically go back and review your entries. This not only helps reinforce your understanding but can also help you see connections between different sources. While many researchers still prefer the tangibility of a physical notebook, digital tools offer searchability and easy editing. Tools like Microsoft OneNote, Evernote, or even a simple Word document can serve as your research log. The choice between digital and physical is personal, so choose the method that you're most comfortable with. There you have it. Crafting a detailed research log is a cornerstone of efficient and effective research. It might seem tedious at first, but the benefits it offers in the long run are immense. Remember, a well-organized research process leads to a well-organized piece of writing. We hope this video helps you in your academic journey. Until next time, happy researching!